All right, so this is the how to move an object in Scratch. We have an object here, just the ball. There are different ways we can move. If you want to do the first kind of movement skill, you have up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. You have to point in the correct direction before you actually move. But the better one is this second one here when you use WASD to move. Okay. You can set your move speed here by 10 or whatever you want to set it to. Notice that we have, you got to stop it and rerun it to get the speed. You have change X by, and then you have -1 because you're going to change, right? Because think of Scratch as this, the center of the screen is 0, 0, and it's like a XY coordinate graph. So if I wanted to go left, I'd have to take off X, -X, move right. I would go up by X. I would increase X, and then increase and decrease Y, just like you do in like geometry or algebra or something like that. So that's the movement code for that. So